In this crypto bull market, you want to make sure you're using the right crypto trading platforms to execute your trades in order for you to maintain maximum profitability and also great security. Today, I'll be talking about one of those platforms, KCEX, which is a cryptocurrency trading platform that offers seamless spot and futures trading experiences. They've been around for a little while, since 2021, headquartered in Seychelles, and they've definitely quickly become one of the favorite platforms for crypto trading for users worldwide, because they do have an intuitive interface, also offering you advanced trading tools and competitive fee structures. So let's get right into the full comprehensive review of KCEX, which I'll be breaking down to you today, both the spot and the futures markets, and tell you why I think this is one good platform to definitely be using. Make sure you get started with the link in the description, and make sure you hit like and subscribe and share this video. So what is KCEX if you don't already know? It's a centralized cryptocurrency exchange designed to meet the needs of both beginner and advanced traders, providing an extensive range of trading options, including spot trading, which is the buying and selling of cryptocurrencies at market prices with zero trading fees, which is absolutely fantastic. When it comes to their futures trading, which I really like, you can trade perpetual futures contracts with up to 100x leverage, which is great for people like myself who like high reward strategies. So these are the reasons why I think you should choose KCEX. I think they are great when it comes to providing you with a zero fee spot trading option, where you can save money with 0% make and take fees on all your spot trades, which is quite unmatched. They do have low futures fees as well, highly competitive here, 0% maker fees and only 0.02 for takers, high liquidity, instant order fulfillment, minimal slippage, and this is also even during high trading volume times. So their user friendly design is what I really like, because you can simply navigate through their intuitive platform, which is built for all levels of experience, and they also have good security in terms of just making sure your assets are safeguarded. You can have all the security you want in terms of 2FA. They use cold storage, and they also have some anti-phishing measures implemented. So what I really like is their mobile app, where you're able to trade on the go with KCEX with their dedicated mobile apps, which are available for Android and iOS. So let's get started. Make sure you get started with the link in the description. Make sure you use my link, okay, to create your account. Sign up with just your email and a phone number. This is a no KYC verification platform, so you don't even need to worry about doing KYC, which means you can trade pretty much from anywhere in the world with ease and not needing to worry about stringent KYC processes. So you can definitely retain your anonymity. What I really like is they've got a lot of user rewards. I'll tell you about that. All you need to do is just verify your email as usual, and the bonuses and rewards that you can claim are amazing. All you need to do is complete the simple tasks in order for you to qualify and claim those rewards. So they do offer generous incentives, sign-up bonuses, 6,300 you can get pretty much in rewards for completing tasks, and they have good airdrops and promotions. And so all you need to do is just simply deposit funds. Okay, as you can see here, I made a deposit directly into my wallet on the platform, and just simply copy the address and send funds from any other crypto wallet that you have. And the deposits literally take a couple of minutes, and your account will be credited, as you can see here. And you can also earn yield on your USDT with their KCEX flexible savings, which is absolutely great, especially in times like this when you've got idle money, maybe from profits, and you're just waiting to get in on some other trades later on, and you can definitely be earning some yield in the meantime as well. So to get started with trading, you just need to choose whether you want to do spot trading or futures trading, select your pair, and whether you want to limit order or market order, etc. So there are many trading options there, but what I like is they've got a spot, which involves you obviously buying and selling at market prices. They offer over 85 cryptocurrencies, including BTC, ETH, Litecoin, Solana, all that, with zero trading fees on the spot market. it's a real great reward for you. So, here I'm just going to place a test order to show you. I'm going to do a little spot limit order to buy some Solana with USDT. As you can see here, I'm just going to buy about $50 worth of USDT in Solana. So that's about 0.227 Sol at this point. And as you can see, now my spot account has not only USDT, but some USDT and Solana. So spot trading, quite simple and straightforward. Futures trading is very similar on this platform as well. Whether you're an experienced trader or beginner, this is a good platform for you. They provide perpetual futures contracts, like I said, up to 100x leverage. Just be cautious when you're trading futures. Of course, there's always higher risks for losses as well as higher chances of you making a lot of money. So how to trade on KCEX when it comes to futures trading is very simple. First, you just need to transfer some funds from your spot wallet to your futures account. So you can see here, you also have an option to choose whether you want to do isolated or cross-margin futures. And you can also choose the amount of leverage you want, all the way up to 100x leverage. And you simply execute your order, confirm your order. As you can see, I'm confirming the order here. And once your order is confirmed on the dashboard, you'll be able to see your positions that are open. And all you need to then do is just to monitor your trades. Okay, so they've got also some fantastic advanced tools for traders, integrating trading view for in-depth market analysis, real-time charts, multiple time frames, technical indicators, RSI, MACD, drawing tools for trend analysis. All this is available. Go check out KCEX. I like to use both the desktop and the mobile version. Very great. Love the mobile. Quick access to trading pairs, real-time market updates, easy deposits and withdrawals. Like I said, you can get it in Google Store or in the App Store. Okay, so let's talk about fees, because a lot of you want to know about fees, which I did mention earlier. But of course, it's 0% maker and taker fees on spot, 0% maker fee on futures, and only 0.02% taker fee on futures. Fantastic, right? Deposit fees, nothing. Definitely nothing. And network fees obviously apply for transfers, but withdrawal fees, these are also determined by network conditions. What I like about KCEX is their customer support, 24/7 multilingual support available. All you need to do is pretty much connect via live chat or email or prompt for good assistance quite quickly. They also have a comprehensive FAQ section that you can go check out. Like I said, you can do 2FA, anti-phishing codes, cold storage is available, SSL encryption also. And just to kind of sum it up, the pros of using KCEX: 0 fees on spot trading, high leverage options for futures, extensive range of cryptocurrencies are available for you guys, intuitive user design, strong security protocols. Of course, you can't do fiat deposits or withdrawals, which is fine because a lot of native cryptocurrency trading platforms don't offer this. And I think they will also be adding some niche outcomes later down the road. But I think this is a great platform for you guys to get started with low cost trading, especially in this bull market. You want a reliable, easy to use platform that makes trading very simple and uncomplicated. So let me know what you guys think. If you're ready to start trading, check out the link down below to KCEX and get started with your trading journey. And make sure you like, share, subscribe, turn on the notifications, follow these guys on all these socials. I'll be bringing you more on KCEX and what trades I'll be making on that platform. So stay tuned for more. Peace, love.